Hello and welcome to our video on hacking. Today we'll be discussing everything you need to know about this topic, including the different types of hacking and the tools and techniques used by hackers. First, let's define what we mean by hacking. Hacking is the practice of exploiting vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks to gain unauthorized access or perform malicious actions. There are several different types of hacking, each with its own set of techniques and tools. One common form of hacking is known as white hat or ethical hacking. This type of hacking is used to identify and fix security flaws in computer systems, often as part of a penetration testing or vulnerability assessment. Ethical hackers use the same techniques and tools as malicious hackers, but their actions are authorized and intended to improve security. On the other hand, there's black hat or malicious hacking. This type of hacking is used to gain unauthorized access to computer systems, steal sensitive information, or disrupt normal operations. Common techniques used by black hat hackers include exploiting software vulnerabilities, using malware, and social engineering. One specific type of hacking is called phishing, where the hacker sends an email or message that appears to be from a legitimate source, such as a bank or social media site, in order to trick the recipient into providing sensitive information, such as login credentials or financial information. Another type of hacking is called denial of service (DOS) attack, which is used to make a computer or network unavailable to its intended users by overwhelming it with traffic from multiple sources. SQL injection is another type of hacking where the hacker inputs malicious code into a web form or URL in order to gain unauthorized access to a database. Cross-site scripting (XSS) is a type of hacking where the hacker injects malicious code into a web page viewed by other users in order to steal sensitive information or perform other malicious actions. Man-in-the-middle (MIT-M) is a type of hacking where the hacker intercepts and alters communications between two parties in order to steal sensitive information or perform other malicious actions. Defending against hacking attempts requires a combination of technical and non-technical measures. Technical measures include keeping software up to date, using firewalls and antivirus software, and implementing strong passwords. Non-technical measures include educating employees about the risks of phishing and social engineering, and establishing policies and procedures for responding to security incidents. It is also important to note that hacking is illegal in many countries and can lead to severe consequences, including fines and imprisonment. Overall, hacking is a complex and ever-changing field that requires constant vigilance and a multidisciplinary approach to stay safe online. It's crucial to be aware of the different types of hacking and the techniques used by hackers in order to better protect yourself and your organization. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.